Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of GRE Words with TV series. GRE Verbal requires a really huge numbers of vocabulary words to be remembered by its applicants. But why does the process need to be arduous? This series of videos will be focused on a very proven method of learning words, which is using visual cues. Very much like it happens on the top rated vocabulary app, the GREedge WordBot. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go and check it out in the Play Store to make sure that your GRE vocabulary learning experience is smooth.
Life is this. I like this.
If you want to beat me, you're gonna have to do it as something else.
Oh, I see, now you're asking to get lit up. Somebody wants to get lit up.
Yes, this time we bring you Suits, featuring two poised protagonists who close their deals with their wits and pro bonos with their hearts. A group of confident individuals whose tailored tales made sure that we are entertained from season to season, starring irreplaceable characters who captivated viewers from across the globe and made sure that their quotes motivated an entire generation. So let's dive right in. First up, we have HARVEY, SPECTER, the successful lawyer who never takes no for an answer. He's not only the best closer in town, but he's relentless, outspoken, and assertive. And there is no goal that this man cannot achieve.
Who doesn't like me?
The best word to describe HARVEY SPECTER would be SUAVE, which means charming, elegant, and confident. The best usage of this can be that HARVEY SPECTER is one of the smartest attorneys that impresses us with his wits and suave looks. Following Harvey's footsteps is the equally witted Mike Ross. We are introduced to the capable and smart character as he slips into the interview while running away from the cops. The prodigal lawyer teams up with HARVEY and takes down one case after another, all the while dodging the misgivings of his own past. Mike has an exceptionally smart mind.
I'm just trying to ditch the cops, okay? I don't really care if you let me in or not.
The best word to describe Mike Ross will be astute, which means having the ability to assess situations or people accurately and turn that into one's advantage. One of the usages can be that Mike Ross is such an astute learner that he can turn the tables on anyone, be it a friend or a foe. Next up, we have the mentor to HARVEY SPECTER, Jessica Pearson. Jessica Pearson radiates power no matter in front of whom she is standing. Jessica is empathetic to all the employees of the firm, but she surely does know how to pull their strings. The strong character that not only everyone respects, but fears.
He has no right to...
I will slap the taste out of your mouth.
Jessica Pearson is certainly one of the most resolute characters to be ever written in TV show history. And that is the word that describes her, which means admirably purposeful, determined, and unwavering. The usage of the same can be, no matter what the crisis, Jessica always looked calm and resolute. Now to the anti-hero of Suits, LITT. No one would have liked the aggressive and mean-looking Lewis in the first season. But despite his hard exterior, we come to find out that Lewis is a soft and vulnerable person. Despite his weird tastes of mud bathing and intolerable opera, LITT is definitely one of the most entertaining, if not misunderstood characters in TV series history.
I'm alive.
One of the best words to describe LITT will be volatile, which means liable to display sudden change in emotion. One of the usages can be that LITT is a volatile person whose emotions get better of himself. At last, but certainly not the least, we have DONNA PAULSEN. DONNA PAULSEN is the wonder worker of every office. Her dynamic nature and charming demeanor spellbound not only Lewis but all her viewers across the globe. She is smart as a whip and her one-liners add more wit to her character. She is Donna, the facts whisperer.
I'm Donna, and I'm awesome.
One of the great words to describe Donna would be charismatic, which means exercising a compelling charm to inspire devotion in others. One of the usages can be that Donna PAULSEN is a charismatic figure with great appeal throughout all the seasons. And that's a wrap. We hope that you enjoyed this episode of GRE Words with TV series. If you want more vocab practice but can't wait for the next episode, go ahead and check out GREedge's WordBot vocab learning app from the Play Store. WordBot not only helps your learning experience more fun and effective, but it uses pictures, fun tests, and clues to do so. So make sure that you're checking out GREedge WordBot from the Play Store. Also, check out our previous videos, subscribe to our channel, and happy learning from our end. Thank you.